Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop. This behind me is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible autocross car, weekend car, fun car. And this episode is in a series of unboxings and just looking at products I am purchasing for my twin turbo swap that's coming up here hopefully this spring, maybe early summer, depending on how the funds go to get all the parts and shipping and everything else like that. Right now we're going to be looking at some of the parts that we currently have that I bought, and this episode we're going to be talking about Zspec's exhaust valve covers, and I got them in matted gunmetal. Part number, let's just go through that, is Zspec-21134. I purchased this through Z1, but you can also get this directly from Zspec Design or Z1 or Concept Z Performance. I bought these as a nice little dress up, because realistically, the nuts and bolts I usually have coming off the car are pretty grody, and I kind of want to dress up and make it look nice a little bit. Now these are valve covers, which are buried underneath the plenum, so you don't see them, but it's nice to have nice bolts and hardware to deal with instead of dealing with rusty, cruddy junk for the most part. Like I said, these are matted gray, comes in all the links you need here. Boy, what else should I say about these? To be honest with you, it's a nice packaging. Once again, Zspec Design does a fantastic job. They got all these nice little baggies you put everything in. I'm assuming this is a guy or gal who does this as a business, and it's fantastic. I'm happy someone's doing this. I think this kit cost me like 14 bucks. It's inexpensive. That being said, I could have just gone to a normal hardware store and bought stainless steel fasteners myself. The big issue that you don't get, though, are the either crush washers or the gunmetal covers here. Let's take a look at it here. Let's get over to the little table here. Get this down look at it here. Let's bend this down here, guys, for you. Let's see here. We're looking at right here. Let's take a look at this. Once again, there's the packaging. Looks real good. I'll eventually get the thread pitch and all this stuff on the actual size of the bolt here. It's a nice one, fully threaded, stainless steel, which should be less susceptible to rust on that, and it's an Allen head, which is different from the factory, obviously. But then, realistically, when I change these bolts, when I see stainless steel, that's what I know when I've changed something on the car. That's how I track things. And then these are the little two pouches for the gunmetal. This is matted gunmetal. I thought it was more muted. My car isn't going to be something super fancy, but I want to be a little nicer, so I'm not sure where he's getting these or where they're getting these at, because this is the second one I've looked at, and they're so nice. You do that, and it makes a nice looking unit. I mean, that's going to pop in the car when it's done by all sorts of imagination. There's enough for both sides of the engine. Assuming that's what each one of these are. Now this is for the exhaust covers. This is the exhaust side. I need to take a look to see if I need to order the other ones, but that's what these are. There's, like I said, isn't much fancy about this stuff, but it is nice to have clean hardware to do these installs. Great packaging, inexpensive. Once again, saves my butt and time from having to go to like an Ace Hardware or Menards here in Iowa, somewhere to find a stainless steel bolt with the right pitch and length of thread to do what I want to do, let alone with the washers are on it. So that's again another short video here, nothing fancy. Another short 5-minute video. Hopefully people are finding this stuff helpful or informative or useful for their projects. Like I said, this is all about getting parts ready for my twin turbo swap and things I'm going to put on this engine over here, which I do need to do all the maintenance and everything else on. So, well, if you guys have any questions or comments, hit me down below. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, please go ahead and do that. My name, once again, is Z James, and this is Z32 Workshop, and I hope to see you in the next video. All right, take care, guys.